एज होमवर्क मैंने देखा ज़रूर, लेकिन मुझे लगा नहीं कि वहाँ से एग्जैक्टली कोई चीज़ उठाई।
You think I'm good with my language? Thank you. तो मैंने I think since the beginning of my career, I think मैंने एक फिल्म की है सावरिया, फिर उसके बाद मौसम, फिर रांझना. I think I've played a lot of Muslims where I had to learn Urdu. So I did all alif bayt te, वो सब तो सीख लिया था. तो हाँ, मेरी pronunciation थोड़ी better हो गई है. But yeah, I'm more Hindi speaking. But I've learned. बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं ना. It's quite hot. हाँ जी. S डबल होना चाहिए. अच्छा, मुझे पता नहीं था. खूबसूरत होना चाहिए. अच्छा, मुझे पता नहीं इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में तो करेक्ट स्पेलिंग की है, इंग्लिश की मुझे पता नहीं. हाँ, मुझे पता नहीं. I don't know. You want to answer this?
खूबसूरत से सिर्फ इंस्पायर्ड है. So this is our take on it. Spelling wise.
Fawad, have you seen the older Khoobsurat, as in the first Khoobsurat? And आपने अपने लिए, how did you set the bar for yourself after seeing that one? If at all you've seen it.
जब इन्होंने इनिशियली बात की थी इस फिल्म के लिए, तो सबसे पहले what I did my homework. I went and watched the old movie. I think in its own right, it's a timeless classic of its own era. And this movie, if I'm permitted to say, is very different from that. It draws inspiration in a lot of ways, लेकिन हर तरह से मतलब बहुत एस्पेक्ट्स में ये बहुत मुख्तलिफ है उससे. तो उसके लिए जो प्रिपेयर करना था या जो ग्राउंड वर्क करना था, बिकॉज आई थिंक उसमें जो राकेश रोशन साहब का जो रोल है उसके अंदर, दैट इज फ्रॉम अ नाइस एजुकेटेड फैमिली, एंड ही प्लेज द रोल ऑफ अ डॉक्टर. एंड बट इस फिल्म के अंदर जो रोल है, which as opposite Sonam, it's that of a Rajput prince, and it is in a completely different world altogether. तो एज होमवर्क मैंने देखा ज़रूर, लेकिन मुझे लगा नहीं कि वहाँ से एग्जैक्टली कोई चीज़ उठाई जा सकती है इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म. सो दैट वे आई थिंक इट वाज नॉट दैट मच ऑफ अ टेस्ट टू मी, बिकॉज कोई एक ऐसे मशहूर पर्सनालिटी या एक्टर का को से इंस्पायर होके उन्हीं का रोल फिर से निभाना, आई थिंक इट बिकम्स अ चैलेंज. सो आई टुक द इजी वे आउट.
हाय रिया, सोनम, मेरा क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से है. अक्सर जहाँ दो बहनें होती हैं वहाँ लड़ाई प्यार दोनों होता है. आप दोनों के बीच कभी शूटिंग के दौरान कोई आर्ग्यूमेंट हुई किसी चीज़ को लेके?
I think Shashank, you should answer that question.
Who have you been talking to?
नहीं.
आप किससे बातचीत कर रहे हैं? Yeah, it always happens, but it happens because we care and we love each other, and because we're working.
And because
together.
I'm always right and she's always wrong.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you for standing up for me. Thank you. You get $100. No, I'm kidding.
Shashank, a question here, right on your left-hand side. What made you choose Fawad, as perfect for probably this role, and this is his entry into the Hindi film industry? What made you sort of center down on him?
I actually didn't think that far ahead. I saw Ria, and I saw him, and we saw some work he'd done, and we'd asked him to kind of send us some stuff, and I was in love.
Okay. And Bria, you might want to answer this.
Thank you.
We saw him and he was like, this man is just so ugly. He's so bad looking, and I really think that, no. I think Fawad, more than anything, he's such a brilliant actor. He's so committed to his craft, but he makes it look so easy, and that's what I needed in Vikram, and that's what Shashank and I had always envisioned Vikram to be, someone who is effortless but still is committed to everything that he does. So when we saw his test, we were like, what is happening? We were so taken in by it, and we loved it so much. And more than anything, I feel we were making this film that literally it needed Prince Charming, but we needed him to be funny, and we needed him to be interesting, and we needed him to be all these things. And Fawad was that. He was so naturally that he didn't even have to try. So It's very annoying, but you know, he's perfect for the part.
Fawad, a question for you.